Cracking the Code, American English Idiomatic Expressions in Business Networking. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of American English idiomatic expressions, specifically focusing on work and business. Our topic for the day is networking and building relationships. We'll discuss idiomatic expressions commonly used in the American corporate world. So, buckle up and let's get started. Firstly, breaking the ice. This phrase is used when you initiate a conversation with someone you've just met or in a formal setting. It's the process of getting the conversation started and creating a relaxed environment. For example, you might say, "I'm just trying to break the ice by asking about your weekend plans." Next, we have the idiom, touch base. This means to get in contact with someone, usually for a quick update or check-in. An example usage could be, "Let's touch base next week to discuss the project's progress." Now let's look at get the ball rolling. It means to start a process or project. If you are starting a new initiative or conversation, you might say, "I think it's time to get the ball rolling on our new marketing strategy." Go the extra mile is another popular idiom. This means to make more effort than is required or expected. In a networking or business setting, if someone is really trying hard to impress or achieve, you might hear, "He really went the extra mile with his presentation." The phrase, "in the same boat," means to be in the same unfortunate situation as others. For example, if you and your colleagues are all under the same stress or deadline, you might say, "It's comforting to know we're all in the same boat with this project." Lastly, we have touch on something. This phrase means to mention or discuss something briefly. For instance, you might say, "In our meeting, we'll touch on the budget but focus mainly on the new product line." And that's it for today, folks. These are some of the most commonly used American English idiomatic expressions in the realm of business networking. The more you use them, the more comfortable you will become. Remember, the key to mastering idiomatic expressions is to practice regularly in relevant contexts. We hope you found this session useful, and remember to break the ice and touch base with us in the comments below. See you in the next video.